Today I have a video of a match played against Pakistan and India. What a beautiful match won by the Pakistan, but you have to see many beautiful catches, many beautiful batting and many beautiful bowling.
Edge and dropped again. What a miss. And taken this time. Verinder Sehwag has been picked up by Shahid Afridi.
I don't think it's carried, it's gone for 4, that's for sure. Baldy right through the gate. What a delivery. We talked about the way he swung the ball away. Balls and wides, but he's doing his job for his country. Make that 3 batsmen. Look at those bails fly. Cut away through the covers. Runs for India. 4 of them. Again.
Can still score runs quickly, just like that. That's another 4. The second of the over. It was in the air, but it was like lightning. Dravid gets another boundary. He's in just a gorgeous mood at the moment. That's gone. That's 6. Good shot, lovely shot. Rahul Dravid has played an exquisite on drive. Edge and taken by Moin Khan. Just a tentative portion. Abdul Razak is delighted. Is gone through the slips and gone for 4. Shoaib Akhtar will not chase that one. Off the back foot, that's a smashing drive. That'll go to the boundary. Oh, inside edge. Very lucky. Yuvraj Singh will pick up 4.
Good stroke. Will it beat mid off? Yes, it will, and he immediately gives it up. And then everything evened out again. He's still going for the sweep shot, and it's got him out. Oh, if he hasn't hit that, he's stone dead. And it is the latter.
Wow, second ball. We've seen everyone struggle early.
Oh, dismissed with arrogance almost.
Gone through the slip cordon. They'll run away to the boundary very quickly. Appeal from Shoaib Malik, uphill by the... Well, that's gone. That's gone. That's a lovely shot into the crowd.
Oh, he's found one down at third man. A little bit fortunate. Oh, beautifully bowled. Shoaib Akhtar on takeoff. He can't get to that one. Just a thick enough edge from Balaji to get it away to the boundary. Well, that's a glorious shot. That's not the shot of a number 10. Oh, what a shot! That's way back into the crowd, into the press box.
Maybe get to 250, but we've seen along the ground, wide of mid-on. Now in the air.
Oh, another 6. What a good shot. I bet that's what Pakistan, in fact, it has bounced. Oh, lovely shot. And it's gone for 6. He got it over the head of fine leg. Oh, it's beautifully struck into the gap. Mid-wicket is there. And well taken. Now that was the man who was just pushed back. Well, that's beautifully into the gap. Very handy boundary. And that's it. 244 India post from their 50 overs. A chase of 245 for
244 for 9. That's what India end up with. Yuvraj Singh, the top scorer, very mature, and 33 extras conceded again by Pakistan. That's been their problem, but Shabir Ahmed certainly wasn't one of theirs. 3.
Oh, 4 beautiful runs. Swung in to the perfect spot. Good shot. Only needed one hand to play with. Bowled in. Off stump out of the ground, looking to hit it over mid-wicket. And a very important... Oh, good shot. 4. Beautifully across and into position to play the ball. Oh, that might not go for 4. But then again it might, and does. Out, caught second slip. He takes his second wicket. VVS Laxman.
They just took the man away from there. Ganguly won't be happy with that. Well, that's a grand shot. Beautiful square drive. Well, those 2 shots might get him back into form in a hurry. Oh, 3 fours. That's good batting. That's beautifully struck now. The bowler's saying that he touched it, and the umpire agrees with him. And the batsman...
Oh, that's gone through. Beautiful placement from Yasir Hamid. Edge and taken. Lovely delivery by Zahir Khan. Shoaib Malik was struggling that line from... Oh, the slit was not in the conventional position. Oh, lovely shot once again, punching the ball hard off the back foot. Mohammad Kaf will not be able to stop that one. Oh, there's no one there in that slip corner. Just a long flipper. That edge has... Once again, nice flick off the pads. Balaji is struggling to get that one under control. That's won the race.
Struck away, that'll go for 4. What a good stroke. Stood up straight and just swatted it away. Ooh, that's beaten him just to his right and raced away for 4. It was in the air for a moment or 2. And another one. How beautifully struck was that. So poised, so balanced. That's 4 more. Exquisite timing. Ooh, he's got that very fine. Is it bat or pad? It's 4 to Pakistan.
Oh, beautiful placement. Gave mid-on no chance at all. Oh, he's got that one fine. That's very delicate. See you later, that's in the stands. What a powerful man. Come down the pitch, toss it up, and I'll toss it back at you. Up, up, and right out of there. Here. Oh, that's got to be close. The rolling, yes, he's given him. Beautifully bowled, Sachin Tendulkar.
Clever shot. That'll go for 4. That's gone, caught. Slow one from Irfan Pathan has done the job. It's Yuvraj Singh who has got him out, caught at point. Oh, that's gone through. That'll be 4. Luring him into drive and, well, finding the gap square this time on the offside. Pawar, well, does well, but I think that's gone.
Tendulkar drops him. Mind you, it was a hot one.
At this time, Tendulkar gets in the way. Smacked straight back into his midriff.
Well, that one will beat Ganguly. A handy boundary. That's where he likes to go straight. He's just cleared Tendulkar. Long chase and he's not going to get there, Sehwag. Razak, once again, he's doing the job for Pakistan. Well, that's 4. He really is a hard man to stop, Razak. And he's cleared the outfielder.
At the moment.
Well, he can win the game and bring up his 50 here. Oh, and what a magnificent way to finish it. That's 50 for Abdur Razak, and a courageous 50 in the circumstances, and he's won the game for Pakistan.
Ganguly not happy. Abdur Razak take a bow.
Not quite the nail biter, but it still was an absorbing contest between